Welcome to Techtopia X, where we genuinely test, review, and break down products to help you spend smarter, not harder. The product link is in description. If you're tired of spending hours manually vacuuming your pool, today's product is definitely worth checking out. We're looking at the WYBOT C2 Vision AI Camera Pool Vacuum, a cordless robotic pool cleaner designed for in-ground pools that combines AI-powered navigation, powerful suction, smart cleaning paths, and ultra-fine filtration. But is it really worth buying? What do all these technical specifications actually mean in everyday pool maintenance? And why is this becoming such a popular choice among pool owners? One of the biggest highlights is the built-in AI vision camera. Instead of simply following a random cleaning pattern, the robot uses its onboard camera and intelligent algorithms to identify areas with the most debris. According to WYBOT, the AI Vision cleaning mode can complete floor cleaning up to 20 times faster by prioritizing dirt-heavy areas rather than repeatedly cleaning already cleaned sections. The cleaner is designed for pools up to 2,152 square feet, making it suitable for many medium to large residential in-ground pools. It cleans the pool floor, walls, and waterline, giving complete coverage instead of focusing on only one area. Whether your pool has vinyl, concrete, tile, fiberglass, or mosaic surfaces, the C2 Vision is built to work safely across multiple finishes. Power also plays a major role here. The WYBOT C2 Vision uses a triple brushless motor system capable of delivering up to 3,883 gallons per hour of suction. That level of water flow allows it to collect everything from large leaves and twigs to sand, dust, insects, and other fine debris without requiring constant intervention. Brushless motors are also known for quieter operation, longer lifespan, and improved energy efficiency compared to traditional brushed motors. Filtration is another standout feature. Instead of relying on a single filter basket, the C2 Vision combines a 180-micron primary filter with a 10-micron ultra-fine filter. This dual-layer system helps capture both larger debris and much finer particles like pollen, dust, and suspended dirt that many standard robotic cleaners can miss. The filter basket is removable, making rinsing and maintenance straightforward after each cleaning session. Battery life is equally impressive. A 4,600 mAh lithium battery provides up to 180 minutes of runtime in eco mode, allowing the cleaner to finish longer cleaning cycles before needing to recharge. When the battery gets low, the robot automatically parks itself near the edge of the pool, making retrieval much easier. Charging takes approximately 3 hours, allowing it to be ready again relatively quickly. Navigation has also received a significant upgrade. Rather than moving randomly, the robot supports 8 cleaning modes and multiple intelligent cleaning paths. Users can select full pool cleaning, floor only, wall only, waterline only, turbo mode, eco mode, or custom cleaning routes using the WYBOT smartphone app. The app also allows scheduling up to 4 automatic cleanings per week, making routine maintenance almost hands-free. The robot operates completely cordless, eliminating the hassle of tangled floating cables. Its IPX8 waterproof construction allows safe underwater operation, while its climbing capability helps it transition between the pool floor, walls, and waterline during cleaning cycles. It supports water depths up to 13 feet, covering most residential in-ground pools. Another nice touch is the smart targeted cleaning. Instead of treating every section equally, the AI camera identifies areas with heavier debris accumulation and spends more time where cleaning is actually needed. This intelligent approach can improve cleaning efficiency while reducing unnecessary battery usage. Overall, the WYBOT C2 Vision combines AI technology, long battery life, powerful suction, dual-layer filtration, smart navigation, app scheduling, and complete floor-to-waterline cleaning into one modern robotic pool cleaner. For pool owners looking to reduce manual maintenance while keeping their pool consistently clean, it brings together many advanced features typically found in premium robotic cleaners. Thanks for watching Techtopia X. The product link is in description. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.